In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete your Monarch Money account. Whether you've decided to switch to another budgeting tool or no longer need the service, I'll guide you through each step of the process to ensure it's quick and hassle-free. Let's get started. First, what you want to do is head over to the Monarch Money website. Once you're there, take a glance at the upper left corner of your dashboard. You should see a settings icon or option. Click on that. This will open up the settings menu where you can manage various aspects of your account. Next, locate and click on the billing section. This is where you can manage your subscription details and other financial information related to your account. It's essential to understand that canceling your subscription does not automatically delete your account, but it's an important first step. In the billing section, you should see an option that says Manage Subscription. Click on that. Here you can review your subscription details and make any necessary changes. To move forward, click on the Cancel Subscription button. Keep in mind that canceling your subscription means you will no longer have access to the benefits or features of the service once the current billing period ends. After addressing your subscription details, head back to the Settings menu. This time, look for the Security section. Click into that area where you'll find the crucial option to delete your account entirely. Within this section, there should be a button labeled Delete Account. Selecting this will initiate the process of permanently removing your account details from the system. Before you finalize this action, remember that deleting your account means you will lose all your stored data permanently. Make sure you have backed up any necessary information before proceeding. Confirm your decision by following any additional prompts that may appear on your screen. After you've gone through these steps, return to your Monarch Money dashboard to ensure that all your requests have processed correctly. You can access the report section to verify account closure or transaction histories if necessary. Now, let's quickly review how to ensure everything is complete. From the dashboard, go into the report section again and navigate to total transactions. This is mainly for peace of mind, making sure all processes are concluded as expected. Finally, finish up by checking out the transactions option. Once everything looks in order, you're all set and your Monarch Money account should now be closed. And there you have it. You've successfully deleted your Monarch Money account. Thank you for watching, and if you have